Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to share with you some awesome websites that help you in your journey of making money online. And now let's not waste any time anymore, and let's begin with the first website for today. That is GoTranscript-answer.blogspot.com. Here you will find this awesome website gives you all answers you need to pass all tests to be a transcriptionist in GoTranscript.com. Here you will find all answers for the multi-choice question test and the audio test as well. So firstly, you have to head to GoTranscript.com as you see, and of course GoTranscript.com is one of the most famous platforms where you can generate transcripts and captions of your video files and your audio files. And for sure here in GoTranscript you can apply for the job of transcriptionist. Okay, so how to do that? All you have to do, go all the way to the bottom. Okay, go and here for transcriptionist, go to this one, work. Okay, and here you can apply as a transcriptionist in GoTranscript.com. Okay, and here you can earn $150 a month, or even you can reach over $1,000 a month as you see. So firstly you can apply now. Okay, and here you can choose your language: English, Dutch, Japanese, Korean, Russian, and so on. Okay, so apply now in English. Perfect. So you have to create an account here on GoTranscript.com. So we can try this one, for example, copy back to our sign up form, paste password, for example, and sign up here. And thus you have to pass this MCQ or multi-choice question test, okay, as you see. Okay, and therefore you will head to the audio file where you can listen an audio file and write it down according to the guidelines of GoTranscript and transcription rules. Okay, so the importance of this awesome blog spot here comes up. It gives you all answers as you see. So you can go to this one. Okay, and here you will find all answers for your MCQ test. Okay, and of course also you can find here the audio test answer. Click here, and for sure there is another YouTube channel that gives you all answers, the MCQ answer test. So I will leave its name below in the description box. Okay, so if you are dreaming of working as a transcriptionist in GoTranscript.com, so this website would help you more in your dream. Okay, and now let's move on to the second website for today. That is tilde.cc. tilde.cc. It is a website builder for free where you can build your website, your landing page, to promote your articles, to promote your products, to promote your stores, whether if you are working as a print-on-demand designers, affiliates, and so on. Okay, here you can create beautiful websites without any code on tilde.cc, and for sure it is for free. Okay, so if I have a look at pricing plans on tilde.cc, for free one website. Okay, so after creating a free account here on tilde.cc to create your landing page, here it gives you a lot of templates in a lot of niches and fields, like this one for vet clinic. Okay, to promote your products for pets, for cats, for dog lovers, and so on. So here you can change anything like pictures, tickets, vectors, and so on. For example, we can change this text. Okay, we can remove it, and you can write anything like that. And of course you will find up here out of editing tools, like you can insert a link for this text to be a clickable text or a call to action, and so on. Okay, and for sure you can change this one, these vectors, and upload yours here on the landing page. Okay, and of course you can change this text. You can add here a call to action, description of your vectors and your pictures, and so on. Okay, and you're not happy with your landing page, just to go to this one, publish, and here you will find this website, and this landing page or this website is ready to be in public. Okay, so you can copy this link, you can paste everywhere like social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and so on, to promote your products, to promote your designs, to promote anything you want. Okay, so the second website for today is tilde.cc. And now let's move on to the third website for today, that is speedwrite.com. speedwrite.com. Here you will find an amazing automatic text generator. All you have to do is just paste here a piece of your article, thus give speedwrite.com permission to create a unique article for you, okay, just in few seconds. Perfect. So how to do that? Just you can make a free account here on speedwrite.com and head to this page. Okay, here you can insert over than 100 words. Okay, so firstly you can remove this paragraph and you can insert your piece of article. Okay, so we can try a piece of article on Wikipedia. So we can copy these portions. Okay, so you can make it bigger. This one, copy and back to our speedwrite.com and insert here, paste. Perfect. And therefore you can hover this paragraph, for example, okay, and just enable predictions. Predict. Just organizes this text and this paragraphs and gives you a unique and creative paragraph, okay, as you see, okay, and so on in this one. So you can take it as a rephrase tool, but it gives you a unique and 100% unique paragraphs and an article. So you can select this one, okay, and predict, as you see, okay, and the same for this one, predict, and so on, okay, as you see. Perfect. And that way it gives you a unique and a new article of your source, okay. And now let's move on to the last website for today, that is 12feet.io. Sometimes when you are reading an article in a certain website, you could encounter a problem that this website requires from you to pay to continue reading. So this website's rule comes up that it removes the pay to get you access to the whole article, to the entire article. All you have to do is just paste here the link of this article, and after that this website pays for you to continue the all and complete your article, okay. So you can use the 12feet.io while browsing the internet. So in today's video you got to know how to be approved on GoTranscript.com by the first website, this blog spot that provides you with all answers of your tests, the MCQ test and the audio test, and how to promote your articles, how to promote your products through amazing landing page by using tilde.cc, and how to generate an unique article from your source by using speedwrite.com, and how to bypass any paywall in an article you face in the internet by using 12feet.io. And to that end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.